Today we are going to watch the video on SJVN. If it's my request that if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Now come to SJVN. SJVN is basically electric producing company it is, and it is owned by the government of India. Now market capitalization is of 12,850 crore rupees, which means it's a mid cap company. Current price it is trading at 32 rupees and 70 paise. You could say high and low, it has made a low of 25.4 rupees and high of rupees 34. The stock P by E it is trading at 10.2 times, which is quite good. You could say its valuation is making it is lucrative one. Book value is trading at 33.5. Dividend yield is of 5.20%. ROCE it is of 9.20%. ROE is of 7.78%. Face value is of rupees 10. Now when we say stock P by E, it's good. Its valuation is cheaper, so it makes an attractive opportunity to invest the money into it. Book value is also good. It is just trading at one same price. It is 33.5. Current price is 32.5. It's a cheap one. Dividend yield is also good, 5.20%. So by looking all these things, and return on capital employed is also, you could say it's lower only, and ROE is also lower only. So but here we could say that overall okay, company is fine by looking on those things, on all this data, but we can't take any decision right now. We have to go with its performance, past performance in monthly as well as in yearly basis. Now on one day it is given return of minus 0.76%. In 5 days it is given return of 4.15%. In 1 month it is given return of 3.99% positive. In 6 months it is given return of 12.41% positive. Year till date it is given return of 5.33% positive. 1 year it is given return of 15.60% positive. 5 year it is given return of minus 4.40% negative. In 5 years your money has not multiplied. In fact, it is lost at 4.40 negative. Okay, if you take the maximum, so this company was listed on, you could say this company was listed on 21st May 2020. So this was listed on 21st May 2020, 21st May 2010, and its price is 24 rupees and 70 paise. Here it added just rupees of 8, and it become 32 rupees and 60 paise. Now just imagine how much you time put, you have put in 12 years of time, and money has grown on just by 32%. It has increased, it is increased by just 32%. See how the company's growth, it is gone like this, like this, like this, like this. So the growth of the company is very very poor. In fact we could say it is the growth is very very poor, because if you spend 12 year and you're getting return of just 32%, it doesn't make any kind of sense. Okay, to invest money into it, it is not a wealth creator, it is just time consumer, and in return you're not getting the money also. Now we'll go with its quarterly report as well as annual report. First we'll go with the quarterly report. We will compare the first 4 quarters, last 4 quarters, September 2021 with December 2021. Then December 2021 we will compare it with March 2022. We are comparing that with June 2022. Now come to sales figure. It is of 882 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 510 crore rupees. Further decreased to 323 crore rupees, and tremendous increase to 1004 crore rupees. So I will putting this sales in a negative manner, because in the 2 quarters it has given negative sales. Okay, coming to the operating profit, it is of 611 crore rupees. Here it decreased to 379 crore rupees. Further decreased to 143 crore rupees. Here it increased to 828 crore rupees. So operating profit has also decreased in the 2 quarters. So I'm putting this in a negative manner. Coming to the profit before tax, it is of 538 crore rupees, decreased to 301 crore rupees, decreased further to 32 crore rupees, and increased to 691 crore rupees. Okay, so I'm putting this thing in a negative manner only. Net profit, it is a 405 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 235 crore rupees, it decreased to 7 crore rupees, it decreased to 609 crore rupees. Sorry, it increased to 609 crore rupees. Now coming to the, so net profit is also decreasing in the previous 2 quarters. Coming to EPS earning per share in rupees is 1.03. It decreased to 0.60. It decreased to 0.02, and it increased to 1.55. So you could say EPS earning per share in rupees, it is decreasing because in the previous two quarter it has decreased. So Q on Q basis, if you are comparing on quarter basis, so company's performance is down. It's poor performance, you could say, because in the continuous two quarter it has shown a negative growth, either in terms of sales or in operating profit or in profit before tax or in net profit or in EPS. We are an investor, we are not a trader. Once we are an investor, we have to look into the company at least for the previous four quarters. So overall, you could say on quarter basis performance is very poor. Now we'll jump to the year-on-year basis performance of this company. We'll compare the last 4 years of the company. March 2020, we are comparing to 2021, and that we are comparing with 2022. We are comparing that with till today month TTM basis. Now sales figure, it is of 2073 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 2485 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 2417 crore rupees. From there it increased to 2759 crore rupees. So 2 years it is continuously decreasing, so I will make it in a negative manner. Operating profit, it is of 2112 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 1867 crore rupees. From there it further decreased to 1794 crore rupees. Here it increased to 1960 crore rupees. So continuous 2 years it is in a negative manner. Operating profits, I'll make it in a negative manner. Profit before tax, it is 1972 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 1856 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 1360 crore rupees. From there it increased to 1562 crore rupees. So profit before tax is also decreasing continuous for 2 years. Now come to net profit, it is of 1567 crore rupees. From there it increased to 1646 crore rupees. From there it decreased to 990 crore rupees. From there it increased to 1257 crore rupees. So net profit is also decreasing continuous for the 2 years. Sorry, continuous for the 1 year. So I could make this thing in a positive manner. Okay, coming to EPS, it is a 3.99, increased to rupees 4.19. It further it decreased to 2.52. It increased to 3.20. So I could make EPS in a positive manner, except 1 year, every year it has increased only. So for me, sales is decreasing, which is very big concern. Operating profit is decreasing, it's a big concern. Profit before tax is decreasing, it's a big concern. Only the relief point is that net profit is increasing and EPS is increasing. I would like to say, don't go with this company, because its performance is something like that. Sometimes it like that, it goes up and goes down, again goes up and again goes down, again goes up and again goes down. It's like a wave pattern, you could say. Okay, it's simple way, it's like a wave pattern. So it's better to avoid in this company doing any kind of investment. I would say simple language, avoid. Okay, simply avoid the company. I hope this video is now very much clear to you. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. If you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.